Hi fam, we back. Guys, I really want to do like moto vlogging. I just don't know what mic to get that would fit the GoPro 10. Right here, I have this mic, but obviously you're going to hear a bunch of wind. But anyways, let's get started. We're going to do the oil change. First full oil change. I have drained the oil and put new oil in there at 300 miles. We are now at 720. And time to take out this old oil and take out the filter, replace it all. I ordered my kit on eBay. I'll link it down below. It came with a quart of oil, the filter, and an O-ring. I gotta look up where this O-ring goes. I'm gonna go ahead and assume when you take these two out, there's a little ring that goes behind there, but motor is hot. So best time to drain the oil right now. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so probably can't see from there, but my nut is right here. Right there. It is a 12 millimeter, just a little heads up if you guys are gonna do this on your own. Okay, there it is. She's cracked. Might have issues. Came out like water, guys. And I'm gonna take off the cap at the top just so I can breathe a little better. Yep, there you go, better flow. Took the cap out. This one does have an O-ring, but it doesn't come with your new kit. So, I don't know, it's just weird. All right, fam, I recommend you get a new crusher, but my kit didn't come with one, so I just flipped it. I used to do this with my Honda all the time. No issue. What's happening? And now we got these up top, which it's an 8 mil. So let's go ahead and pop that off. These you don't want to tighten too much. I do recommend you torque them. I do not know the torque specs, but here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these off. Okay, yeah, so there is an O-ring right here, guys. I'm gonna just let that sink go down too. I do have brake cleaner, so don't worry. But there is a spring right there, if you can see. So pop that spring out. And then I'm gonna pop this out with some pliers. Make sure the pliers are clean. Camera. Okay, yep. There's the old filter, guys. It looks like shit. Not gonna lie to you. And it is very hot. But you guys can see. Looks like buns. Let me go throw this out quick because it's hot. And now let's get our new filter, which is right here, like I said. O-ring on double. I'm not sure if I'm gonna, hey look, I do have a pressure washer, so I'm gonna pop that back off, put the pressure washer on. The rubber tip goes inside, and then the non-rubber tip goes to the outside. I think it says it on there, outside. There it is. Get the spring back in there. There it is. And then I'm gonna change my gloves and do this O-ring real quick. I'm just gonna replace it, screw it. All right, fam, so there's an O-ring that goes here. I already took it out with a little flathead. It comes off really easily. And then here's a new O-ring. Like I said, I'll link this kit down below. Wasn't much. Bang. Just gonna let this dry off for a bit because I did spray it with brake cleaner. All right, let's put everything back together. Remember, filter, rubber side of the filter goes in. Flat non-rubber side comes, like pointed out. Spring in. And now we got our two 8 millimeters. Put it back in. I'll just tighten it and then I'll check it after a ride or so. Make sure it's tight. We're gonna go ahead and brake clean this. Get a rag. Alright guys, this is what I'm using. OEM Honda oil. 1 quart, that's what it says it'll take. So I always put a little over a quart just because, peace of mind. I always did it even with my Civic. And I did it when I first changed this, no issue. So go ahead and dump that 1 quart in there. And this is 1030 4-stroke. And the reason we brake clean, guys, is to make sure that there's no leaks. Of course, we are gonna turn it on, obviously. Alrighty, and once you're done with your easy oil change, just make sure you're not dripping nothing still. Start her up. Make sure you're not dripping nothing. She sounds good. Let it just flow through before you give it a couple revs. Give it like a minute, I'll be back. All right, guys, it's been around a minute. Let me just hold the gas real quick. Just, this is me taking precaution. You don't gotta do this. Sounds insane, huh? We're good, no leaks, you guys can see. We're golden. Hope this helped you guys out. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Next one will be what I like about my Grom after it's all tuned and all that. I do have the DHM cam, guys. That's it right here. They say to do a valve adjustment within your 1,000 miles, Honda recommends. So instead of doing my valve adjustment, I'm just going to go ahead and get it cammed. Why not? And then get retuned. And then that's it for this bike, guys. I'm done. I ordered a couple more things like purple washers and purple rim strips, but I didn't like how it looked. I sold my last wheel set because it didn't fit. If you guys can see, my rotor is shot because for some reason they don't want to clear, and I didn't want to do a brake delete. People do that, but I'm all about, you know, going a little fast. So I can hit 75 on this bike. So with me going 75, no rear brake, just front brake, it's pretty fast for just only a front brake. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Once again, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 followers. Hit everybody up. Your grandma, your mom, your dad, everybody. Let them know Josh be spooling, be making that content, boy. All right, see you guys.